Life in Chaska offers comfort and community, but even in this beautiful town, disasters like water damage can strike when you least expect it. That's why SOS Cleaning and Restoration is your trusted source for fast, professional water damage repair in Chaska, Minnesota, bringing relief when you need it most. We understand how overwhelming it can be to see your home or business flooded, and we're here to guide you through the restoration process with care and compassion. Whether it's caused by storms, plumbing failures, or appliance leaks, our team responds quickly to contain the damage and prevent further loss. Hidden moisture and mold can silently impact both your property's structure and the health of everyone inside. Our priority is keeping you safe. Using advanced equipment and proven methods, we work efficiently to clean, dry, and restore your space, allowing you to return to normal. Reach out today at 952-847-3404 or visit soscleaning-and-restoration.com/areas-served-chaska-mn to get the expert help your situation calls for. SOS Cleaning and Restoration. Restoring your property and protecting your peace of mind every step of the way.